Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Dame Does It. Today we're going to be cleaning the lens of a Husqvarna riding mower. Okay, what we'll be using for that is a clay bar and some quick detailer. Okay, we're going to do this in a circular manner. And if I didn't already point out, we've washed the headlight earlier. You'll feel it getting smoother. Okay, then we're going to wipe down. Now we're going to use the 1500 grit with the detailer. You can see all the oxidization coming off. Now we have some 3000 grit. Been doing some experimenting with some clear coat cutter and also our rotary tool. Here's our end result. Be sure to visit my channel, check out my full length videos.